Namaste, friends. Today we are sharing with you the first part of our trek to Googly Dar Hilltop in Bhogalparistan, following a surprise invitation by a local Urdu teacher and trek passionate Mr. Dilshad. To reach the Googly Dar, we first had to walk through the rural village of Paristan. Such an unforgettable experience. The trek difficulty was easy to moderate, and the landscapes absolutely rewarding. The locals seemed fascinated with the very first foreign visitors in the area ever. And so were we, with their picturesque lifestyle and the massive views they have the privilege to enjoy daily. You can judge that